What you cannot govern will govern you. A man ruled by his emotions is predictable, manipulable, and exhausting to be around. A man who governs them becomes a point of gravity. Emotional discipline is not repression, it is sovereignty over the inner world. When a man masters himself, he no longer competes for attention. Attention orbits him. Here are 7 practices to cultivate emotional discipline and become a magnet. 1. Separate the event from the meaning. Nothing disturbs you, only the story you attach to it. Undisciplined man reacts to what happens. Disciplined man questions what it means. When something triggers you, ask internally, is this within my control or only my interpretation? Clarity dissolves emotion at its root. 2. Choose response over reaction. Reaction is animal. Response is human. Pause before movement, speech, or expression. That pause is where character lives. It is the space where instinct bows to reason. 3. Become a witness to your emotions. You are not your anger. You are the observer of it. Watch the emotion arise, peak, and fade without interference. What you observe without judgment cannot dominate you. 4. Discipline the body to steady the mind. A calm posture creates a calm judgment. A chaotic body produces a chaotic mind. Stillness begins physically. 5. Speak with economy. The disciplined man understands that words dilute power. Say only what is necessary and nothing emotional. Silence is not emptiness. It is composure made visible. 6. Withdraw from the need to be understood. Dependence on approval is dependence on weakness. Let others misunderstand you. Let them project. A man who is at peace internally does not argue for his image. 7. Voluntarily enter discomfort. What you endure by choice will not control you by force. A man who trains himself to endure chooses his emotions instead of obeying them. People are not drawn to your emotions. They are drawn to your control of them. Your calm signals safety. Your restraint signals depth. Your consistency signals strength. In a world addicted to reaction, the calm man feels dangerous. In a culture ruled by impulse, the disciplined man feels rare. This is why emotional discipline makes men magnetic. Not because it impresses, but because it anchors. Master yourself, and you will never need to chase influence again.